everyone. It's been a long time, but the new season is coming. I'm making preparations to get the bike ready. I'm maintaining it, oil filter, oil, air filter. I'm trying to get the choke cable to work. I'm changing the rear brake reservoir. I bought the aftermarket one because mine top screw is not holding, and I'm trying to make it better. But let's start working and let's see what comes up. put the new brake reservoir, changed the oil, cleaned the filter, and now it's time to put some hot glue on the back fairing, because lot of pieces are broken there, but the rear fairing is quite expensive with the logos, so I have to repair it like this. I will put this side fairing on, and the battery is on, and I checked the throttle cable is connected, but it's the RPMs are set too high, because that's why the throttle body choke doesn't work, and I will screw the RPMs lower a little bit, and then try to make it work. But let's go on. So the maintenance is done. Let's see if he fires up after hibernation, and I have to time the idle and put it a little bit lower, because right now it's 1400 RPMs, and let's see. I didn't need to change the choke cable because it's working, but the RPMs were high, and I turned them down a little bit. It's 1000 RPM right now, and it's working like it should be. Now I'm putting all together and taking a little drive to see how it drives after hibernation. But let's go. Bike is ready for this season. I borrowed a helmet because I forgot mine at home, but I'm trying to take a little trip around the block and see if everything works fine. I changed the brakes last time, like you remembered, and the new front tire. But if everything works fine, then I can start driving. The first drive was excellent. Otherwise the weather is quite cold outside, so my hands are a little cold, but that's no problem. But bike is working and everything is going along. This season I have, I can say, new interesting videos coming, because I made some new friends, and we're going to a lot of events. And if you like this, hit that like and hit subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.